So on a previous video, I've gone over how to find your x-intercepts. Let's say that I found my x-intercepts for this, and it is 1 and -3. And I've also gone over in my other video how to find your vertex. Let's say we found our vertex and it was -1, -4. So let's say before you draw your parabola, you want to come up with a couple of extra points in order for your drawing to be a little bit more accurate. So this is what you do. You can substitute any number in for x and see what y is. That would give you a point. So for instance, if it's saying what is y when you put -2 in for x, then you just go to this equation and you substitute -2 in for x. So we have -2 squared plus 2 times -2 minus 3. And you see what that equals. So -2 squared is 4. This is -4 minus 3. So -4 minus 3 is -7. And a +4 is -3. So we found out that when we put -2 in for x, y is -3. What this tells us is that there is a point, and I'll write it as a coordinate, -2, -3. So we can plot that point over -2 down -3. And then we can do the same thing if x is 0. So if x is 0, we have 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 3. So that's 0 plus 0 minus 3, which is -3. So that gives us the point 0, -3. So again, we can substitute any number in for x and solve for y, and that gives us an x-y coordinate that we can plot on our graph. Once you have those points, then you can again make a more maybe realistic, accurate parabola by connecting your points.